Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing TextWizard EO, tool that claims to use AI to generate persuasive and high converting marketing copy in way less time. I'm gonna say that on that review I can show you all the features. It will be like an overview because on the free trial I don't have access to all the features of the account. So I'm going to show you the features. I'm going to show the features that I have access and the ones that are locked, and then you can test it if you buy the tool. So TextWizard is an AI copywriter that helps you generate high quality blog content, website copy, and emails with the click of a button. It's an alternative to Jasper, formerly Jarvis. That one is the top dog of the AI copywriting tools. I would like to say that the founders claims that the tool, their AI copywriting is focused on marketing copy. So as you can see here, Facebook post generator, Twitter generator, hashtag generator, blog title generator. The idea is to be a tool that is centered to write marketing articles. And the limits are pretty good. Need to try to aim to buy at least tier 2. With tier 1, you get 30k character generated per month with 3 users, and tier 2 you get 10 users unlimited and tier 3 users unlimited. The best one here of course is licensed tier 2 because you're gonna get the unlimited characters for 10 users on your account. So let's check out the tool works. So you can see here that as any tool, AI copywriting tool, they have the short form content and the long form content and the recipes. You will be able, you can see here, the recipes, those ones are only available for pro users. I would need to have the pro account, but you can create recipes with the tool. Okay, it's like training your own AI on TextWizard, so you can train your short form content. They have also a long form content here on my documents, where you can create a document to create long form content. Now I'm going to show you what I can't show you, that the AI short forming. Those are the templates, product descriptions, elevator pitch, and blogging and SEO, blog headline, blog outline, summary, meta tags, paraphraser, short article, long form. And social media, Facebook, post, Twitter, and hashtags. Okay, let's start training the hashtag. You can access 25 languages with TextWizard, and I choose here the English one. And now let's see if I write here digital marketing, what the tool gives to me in terms of hashtags. So they gave me digital marketing, digital, and marketing. Let me give them more context. So I'm giving them more context for a piece of text to generate the hashtags. So let's see. They gave me a piece of content and then Facebook, TikTok, Facebook Reels, and monetization as hashtags. Let's try creating a Twitter. I wrote here a text. Keyword clusters are a group of keywords that represent searchers with similar purchase intent. Let's check out which kind of Twitter they give me. They wrote me that Twitter keywords naturally appears in specific groups by topic. The data and search algorithm can relate search terms to the entire index based on the referring terms, allowing us to see hidden themes that reveal common ground for related topics. Now let's try the blog headline. I'm gonna select the same piece of content. I'm gonna select more content. Select more content about keyword cluster, remembering that it's not only in English, the tool is multi-language with 25 more language. I'm gonna click here to generate. They gave me radical shift to community rhetoric after removing symbol of communist era. Doesn't make many sense. Let me try giving less content to them, only that. They gave me the title, save some time with this Google SERP keyword clusters. Now let's try the Google outline. I'm gonna again copy and paste the same SEO text. Let me select a better content here. So here it makes total sense. Let's see the outline. So they gave me the outline, how Google processes words, how to identify different cluster points, using word clusters to better understand different topic areas, using word clusters to come up with ideas for new content types, how to hierarchically structure content clusters. The outline is pretty good. It's good. So then I used my free credits. I don't have more credits, remembering that which kind of content they have here. They have long form documents, recipes where you can create a receipt or using the community recipes as read. On social media, they have blogging and SEO, blog headline, blog outline, blog summary, meta tags, paraphraser, short article, long form article. On sales elevator pitch, on e-commerce product descriptions. Okay, and the tool is translated to more than 25 languages. You can use it on your own language. I hope you like that overview. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.